The next thing I'm going to start is related to this wall sweep and wall reveal, right? So let's see what are these. So I'm going to delete this part first, right? Here you can see all these things. This is the part of our ceiling, right? This is called false ceiling, right? It is if your height of wall is, let's say, 10 feet, so your false ceiling will be at 8 feet, right? This is your roof soffit. I'm deleting this as well, right? This one, clear? You can select all walls, delete it, right? And we are left with the floor and the ceiling part, right? Press SA to select, right? Like this as well. Okay, so let's start with wall sweep and reveal. What are these? So for that thing, first we need to create one wall. So here, wall architecture, I am going to create a structure like this, right? And here I need to close all these things. So here I am closing these options, right? Here level 2 as well. So here I have only one wall over here. So let's check its 3D view. So it will look like this, right? Switch to realistic. Here we have this type of particular wall, right? So if I go with here, that is wall sweep. So let's first start with sweep. So if I click on sweep, right, and here you can click on any point and later you can change the distance, right? So here you can click like this, right? It will be automatically connected to the previous sweep like this, right? So in this way you can create a wall sweep. So this is called a wall sweep, right? So this type of things are used for creating your skirting of your rooms, right? And whatever the POP types of designs that are used inside the wall, that can be generated using this wall sweep, right? As this wall sweep is an outward impression, right? The wall reveal is a similar type of inward impression, right? So if I click on this point, go to wall reveal, and here you can click on one point, right? This is your second, right? You can create these on any number of walls you want to, right? If you don't want to create on all walls, you can just create on one or two. So here you can check, this is the wall sweep or this is the reveal, right? Reveal is an inward impression, right? Here you can check that. And sweep is an outward impression, right? So here you can click on these, right? The label and the offset from the label, right? It is at 3 feet. If you want it at the bottom part, you will change it to 0, right? So it will be applicable to the bottom part. Clear? Similarly for this reveal as well, you can click on this. So offset from label, it is 6. Let's suppose you want it in middle, you will change it to 5, right? You can check it here. Clear? Let's suppose you want some other type of profile for this, right? You can click on this, go to its edit type. Here click on profile. So we have some of the basic profile here, right? So you can choose any profile, let's say C-shaped profile or a sill precast type, right? You can click on this, apply, okay, and you can see that profile here, right? This one. Clear? So in this way you can apply different profile. So let's suppose you want to apply skirting to the inside of your room, right? As we usually provide with the help of tiles. So for that thing, let me insert some of more profile of this sweep and reveal. So I will go to load families. Here again I will go to the profiles. Here we have profiles, right? Here we have wall profile, right? Here you can check the different types of profile. Here, so I'm choosing this one, this profile, right? After that you can click on open. Now that profile will be visible in case of our wall reveal, right? So here we have architecture, go to wall, sweep, clear. If I click on this point, you can see only this type of profile, right? So I'm going to create a profile here first, right? After that, I will change this profile and its offset as well. So you can rotate it like this and join it here, right? Once you are done, you can press escape and here you can check this profile, right? Select it. Let's suppose you want a different type of profile here. Let me check. Okay. So here, go to its edit type, right? Click on this profile button. So what was the profile? Yes, this one was that I had chosen. Let me apply a different material to this as well. Click on this point, right? Let's suppose I want a wooden texture to it. So go to here, that is this softwood, right? Here check appearance, it will look like this. Okay, no problem. So click on apply. Okay, right? Apply and okay one more time, right? And you can see this profile here, right? Again, if you want to apply at the top of this, select it, right? Here we have this offset from level, right? So I want to apply it at level 2. I will change this offset to 0, right? So it will be applicable at the top part of this, right? Here you can check its geometry. So usually this type of POP designs are used in conventional buildings, right? Here you can check this. Similarly, if you want to apply a skirting at the bottom as well, right? So you can go with the same procedure. So here we have this. Click on this wall, sweep option, right? Here we have this, right? And this as well. If you want a different profile at this end, you can select that as well, right? Go to its edit type. Here we have multiple profiles. Let's say you want this type of profile. Apply, okay, right? And you can see that type of skirting here. So click here. If you want this at the bottom, specify the offset as 0 and you will see that at the bottom part. Clear? So in this way, you can create a wall sweep and a wall reveal to create different types of profile, right? You can check this here.